What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stocko YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a fresh new update on the SoFi stock. More breaking news is continuing to happen, guys, each and every day. Most importantly, we have the rocket fuel, massive news set to break out at any moment, any week. Nobody knows. That is the bank charter approval for the SoFi stock. This is going to be a massive boost to SoFi's profitability, allowing them to cut costs. And I'm telling you right now, this company is a winner in the short term, and it's going to be a massive winner in the long term. Either way you want to play it, it does not matter. All it's going to take is patience and diamond hand through the volatility, because this company is not one of those artificial meme stock pumps, guys. This company is set to explode off fundamentals and growth. Once again, I'm going to continue to stick to my price target. That is $45. Some time period in the next 12 months, guys. I'm telling you right now, this company is going to explode. Once again, anybody new to the channel, if you search SoFi stock right now at the top of YouTube, Stock Goat is the #1 channel covering the SoFi stock right now. And guys, you can see right here, it does not matter how many followers you have. It matters the details and quality of content on the company. And as you can see, Stock Goat is absolutely exploding right now. I highly recommend you to make a YouTube account if you do not have a YouTube account, and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be covering SoFi every single moment, every breaking news. You're going to get all the in-depth analysis, guys. This is a high quality company, guys, and there's so much upside potential. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, a very solid day inside of the market. All the indexes were green. S&P 500 up, 0.85, Dow up 0.68, NASDAQ up 0.82, and the Russell up 1%, guys. So very, very solid day inside of the market. Guys, we can see here SoFi stock, ripped 6.5% today. Very solid move on the stock. Company is hovering right around a 12.3 billion market cap. And I'm telling you right now, that big move came because a high quality analyst put out that bullish price target on the stock yesterday. That's the video I did yesterday with the big bank, giving that buy rating, guys. And guys, that specific buy rating made over 6 news updates, guys. 6 different articles was covering that SoFi buy rating at $28. This is the Wall Street analyst that put the price target out. This is Dan Dolev. As you can see here, he is, ranked 1,300, out of almost 16,000, Wall Street analysts. So, this guy knows his stuff. Once again, guys, I'm not just making these videos for the fun of it. I'm heavily invested in the SoFi stock. And yes, guys, the SoFi stock looks really good right now on that one-day chart. But if we look at that 3-month chart, guys, this stock has been absolutely smashed on the 3-month chart, down almost 30%. I've been recommending this stock for a while now at $14, $15, $16, $17. And as you can see, those buy ratings that I've been recommending are much, much lower than these Wall Street analysts. The last guy just put out a $28 buy rating. So, we are in a great buying zone in the $15 range. And I'm telling you, this company is set to explode, once that bank charter approval goes through. He has a 5-star rating, and he is working at, Mizuho Securities right now, Mizuho Bank. And guys, I'm telling you right now, sometimes you see these price targets get thrown out and you don't see the stock move at all. When it's a high quality analyst, that's when you see investors really go into the stock, guys. He did an in-depth analysis on Galileo inside of his, bullish thesis. And Galileo is very important. I have a video covering the entire, outlook of Galileo. It's very important that you watch that video. And guys, with the 4 analyst buy ratings now inside of the SoFi stock, even with that one analyst putting that extremely low price target of $16, guys, we still have 57% upside. Anyone looking to do a deep dive on, SoFi, this company is undervalued right now, and you have almost 60% upside, on the stock right now at its current valuation. If we remove that one, $16 price target, the average analyst, is more like $27 to $28 of a buy rating, guys. That's massive upside, guys. Once you get to $30, if you were buying in the $15 range, you already are looking at a 2x, 100% upside, on your investment already. That is extremely quick, in less than 1 year. Guys, it looks like SoFi is building up a dream team, guys. I'm talking elite of elite management, guys. They are getting ready for that bank charter, and they are putting the pieces in place to absolutely dominate over the next couple of years. We can see here, it looks like they hired Chad Borton, okay? Now president of SoFi Bank at SoFi. The key right there, guys, SoFi Bank. I'm not really going to do a lot of, analysis on, why they're putting SoFi Bank, but we know that they have been working on this bank charter, for over a year now. The news could drop at any time, guys. They are building world-class management for SoFi, guys. Guys, you're talking multiple management coming over from Amazon and Tesla, guys. It does not get better than that. You can have a great company, but if you have a great company with great management, guys, you're set to go to the moon over time. Check this out, guys. This guy went to Harvard, guys. So you want a president that went to Harvard. That's all I can tell you, guys. You got a president that went to Harvard. This is what I'm talking about, guys. CEO, Anthony Noto. This guy, was literally about to take Twitter off to the moon. If he hadn't left, Twitter would probably be a massive company right now, guys. He was leading that company into the right direction, and now he is taking over SoFi and building a dream team around him. Chad is a senior strategic and operational leader with over 25 years of experience across industry-leading organizations, primarily in the financial services. Chad has a broad range of skills and experiences, including strategy, finance, operations, digital omni-channel distribution, and large-scale organizational leadership with a passion for the customer experience. This right here is his most recent job title, guys. This is where, the last 3 to 4 years came from. Chad was most recently the president of Usaa Bank. Massive company, guys, and served as the vice chairman of the Federal Savings Bank Board of Directors. He provided executive leadership for nearly 10,000 employees, serving over 9 million members with $100 billion in assets, delivering $6 billion in annual revenue, guys. The bank offers a full range of deposit, credit card payments, consumer lending, and real estate lending products and services delivered through a highly digital omni-channel distribution strategy. So guys, there you see it. Brand new hire, September 2021, 1 month in right now. Just came from, USAA, the bank president, guys, for the last 4 years. This company was doing over $6 billion in annual revenue, guys. So this is the experience you want, guys. We got, Harvard president coming over. It does not get better than that. And I'm telling you guys, these price targets I'm putting out, with that $45 in 2022, this is beyond reasonable, guys. We just had the professional Wall Street analyst almost put out a $30 price target, for this year, guys. I'm telling you right now, you have to diamond hand this one and wait for that bank charter to go through. You can see right here, the fintech startup Vero Bank triples valuation to $2.5 billion after gaining a bank charter. Yes, I understand it's a much smaller company prior to getting the bank charter, but it does not matter. Valuation is valuation, guys, and they tripled their valuation after a bank charter. The bank charter is very, very serious. It leads to profitability much faster because costs are lowered. So SoFi is hovering around a 12 billion market cap right now, guys, as you can see. Let's say, this brought, a triple in valuation for SoFi. Right now, that, Wall Street analyst that had 6, different websites put out, his buy rating, he's recommended for, SoFi to basically double in value, right around $28 to $30. We know that SoFi has 799 million outstanding shares, okay? So to get that market cap to a triple, we would be right around a 36 billion market cap. Yes, I understand. A little bit high market cap, but the thing is, SoFi is growing very, very quickly. 74% year-over-year growth in their last quarter, and I'm telling you, that is set to explode even further in the oncoming years. So what would it take to get to the market capitalization of 36 billion? Well, first of all, I want to put in that price target for you of that, Mizuho Bank Wall Street analyst of $28. He's saying a market capitalization right now of 22, billion. That will put us right around 22x sales because we're doing around, 1 billion in revenue. And guys, that's fair market value that is coming from the experts. So if we go with my price target of $45, that would put us right around that 3x valuation of 36 billion market cap. That would be that $45 price target I continue to quote you guys over the next 12 months. If you can't be patient and hold, for the next 12 months to get, a triple on your investment, guys, I don't really know what to tell you. You most likely should not be in the stock market because, these indexes are taking 5 years to pull these triples. So I really believe, we're going to see $45 next year. And guys, yes, I understand this is a 36x price to sales multiple on the stock. But I want you to look at, some of these other, major technology companies and companies that just went IPO in the fintech space, including cloud, Snowflake, CrowdStrike, Palantir, Datadog, Roblox, DocuSign. Every single company you can see here is trading at 29x as the lowest, 30x, 32x, 32x, 52x, 88x. All these companies have, much, much higher, price to sales than SoFi right now, trading around a 12x multiple. So yes, I understand, the price to sales on the 2021 revenue of $1 billion would be a little bit high at a 36x. But guys, if we put the revenue projections for 2022, which guys, this year is, going to be ending in the next 4 months, this will put them at a price to sales of 22x if we get around that $45 price target heading into 2022. That's with 60% growth, higher growth than DocuSign, higher growth than Datadog, higher growth than Palantir, and tons of other companies, guys. So I really believe these price targets are right in line. We could see $30 by the end of the year, like that Wall Street analyst said. But I'm telling you right now, we're going to see $45 heading into next year. One important thing about that article that was put out yesterday, okay, a lot of websites are reiterating and, doing a deep dive on that, guys, price target. SoFi stock could hit $28, says Analyst. This is going to really blow you away when you go down and read, the in-depth analysis on that, article and Yahoo Finance commenting on it. How fast can SoFi grow as a whole? In Dolev's view, investors can expect to see revenues at the company grow as fast as 40% annually over the next 4 years. Very solid. As the analyst explains, SoFi should be able to achieve such rapid growth rates by encouraging user engagement, nurturing a flywheel effect of more users taking advantage of SoFi's multiple service driving additional growth. The analyst believes investors will see operating leverage take hold as revenues grow, shrinking losses and eventually delivering profits. But guys, this is where it gets really insane, okay? I guess there was more of a deep dive on Dolev's, price target he put out. You got to read this. This is absolutely insane. So how big does Dolev expect SoFi to get? The analyst posits that from about 800 million in annual sales today, SoFi will grow more than 3.5x over the next 4 years, reaching 3.7 billion in revenues by 2025. The analyst actually suggests there's a possibility SoFi could grow much faster than that, potentially hitting 4.4 billion in sales by 2023. Guys, that is absolutely insane. If you go onto their investor presentation, guys, and we look at their 2023 revenue projections, it's listed at 2.1 billion. So guys, 4 billion plus would be almost doubling 2023 numbers. So in my opinion, this investor presentation could be, complete underestimating SoFi's potential, with the bank charter and with their marketing scheme that they're putting in place, with this NFL stadium and Super Bowl, signups could be absolutely insane. I remember the CEO saying the number one important thing, he expects, leading to SoFi's growth is trust. If they can get their customers to trust them, there's going to continue to be more word of mouth. And guys, you never know. The analyst said, revenue could potentially double in 2023. That's absolutely insane. This would definitely be a 10-20x company in the next 4 years if that were to happen. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. SoFi stock has a lot of upside potential, guys. We're getting these amazing buy ratings. The company is building amazing management. I've been recommending this stock at the $15, $16, $17 range, and these are amazing buys, when we see the upside potential and valuations that these analysts are putting out. And if you're new to the channel, I highly recommend for you to watch this Galileo video. This is the technology portion of the SoFi stock. And after that video, you can go ahead and watch the bank charter video on the SoFi stock. And once again, only if you feel this video gave you a better insight on the SoFi stock, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all of the growth stocks and spec plays. There's gonna be a lot of great information coming out. You don't want to miss it. My name's Kyle. Hope you have a great day.